live up to and address the issues that hold us back. What is it that holds us back? And here I speak to us as business and also as government. What holds us back seems to be fear. Fear of the unknown, where we almost fear our own shadows and are worried about surging forward, confronting those shadows. Today, we were able to announce, for instance, that there should be visa-free travel between South Africa and Kenya, by Kenyans going to South Africa, that you no longer need to have a visa. Now, I'm able to say, what has always held us back, I was saying to President Ruto, is a fear. We possibly, as well, South Africans, we were afraid that by opening up the doors of South Africa to Kenyans, we are afraid that in will come all those undesirable elements that just want to transgress our immigration laws and so forth. And today we were able to say, let's ditch the fear. Let's open up South Africa to Kenyans to come to South Africa so that you can come and do what? And trade with us. You can come and do business. You can come and be tourists. Yes, you can come and learn. Many young people want to come to our learning institutions. There are many people who want to come, yes, to our hospitals. There are many people who do want to come and visit their friends and relatives. And today, that's precisely what we've done. Got rid of that fear and to enable us to triumph over fear. And of course, we've reached a very good agreement with Kenya that we are going to monitor this process. We are going to be hands-on, and it's not going to be a loophole that we have opened for those who want to transgress immigration regulations and who want to come to slip into South Africa without proper papers and so forth. And Kenya has been bold enough, getting rid of its own fear. It's been bold enough to say that there will be a return policy. Those who have gone to South Africa wrongly will be returned back to Kenya. And that is very positive, and we welcome that. So the reciprocal nature of our dealings have been powerful. But I must say,